Hi friends, let me show you this new pull and pry bar that I received for reviewing purposes. This is great for helping you to install vinyl or laminated floors, okay? You get this steel bar, it's really strong. It has this rubber kind, like a fabric protection for your floors. When you are installing floors, you can use this one to help you to pull and put in its place the floor, even with the help of a hammer or rubber hammer like this. This part will help you to make the effort to really get the floor in its place. This bar is 3.9 inches wide here. It is 13.5 inches long here and 3 inches long in this part. So if you are installing any kind of vinyl or laminated floor, this accessory will help you to do it faster and easier, okay? So if you need a pull and pry bar like this, I really recommend this one. Thank you.